People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube, people are elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com, and my soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. My t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. And as you can see, the vanilla cake is developing wonderfully. This is the color of the beige that it was all the way around, and this is what it's turning into. And as you can tell, the pure white on the top is now very much contrasting the bars themselves, which is what gives it the look. That's why I said watch it bake. It takes a couple of days, but that's what happens when you use vanilla. Is that cool or what? This also happens with the 7-Up pound cake and a few others that are heavy vanilla based. The vanilla turns the soap brown. It's called a discoloration. People tend to think that means there's something wrong with it, but it's a naturally occurring thing. All I did was use the discoloration to my advantage. And as you could tell, the colors of the almond soap have popped. So those are now looking a little brighter too. Sometimes when you cut a soap too early, the colors just doesn't show up to its full potential because, well, it's still baking. Even the white tea and soap blossoms is showing a little bit of its swirl. The swirl's very, very subtle. I basically thought it was a wash on that one, but yeah, I could see some of the swirl. It's very subtle, but it's there. And there's a couple of wet spots right there because I just washed my hair and it's dripping on my soap. Yeah, so nothing to be concerned about. And it really showed up on there. Like I said, very, very subtle. But that's fine. This has been People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube. People are elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. It is 73 degrees in the city of Cincinnati. Can you believe it? So I've done some laundry to hang it out. And now I'm going to go outside and play in this weather. Y'all stay blessed and stay tuned. Enjoy the subs. Bye now. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.